I've never seen a bike get that hot that fast.
I'm gonna put an exhaust on it, or attempt to do an exhaust on it. Well, we got a Honda in here, and it's not ours. I'm sure some of you might know this is actually Dylan's FastlaneD's beautiful Fireblade. He's over here because we're going to put an exhaust on it, or attempt to do an exhaust on it, because in all reality, we don't know if the setup that we're going to use is going to work. So let's tear into this thing and see if we can put an exhaust on it so it can make some noise. How's that way? I have a lot of questions. And, I don't know if we have answers to all the questions, but
yeah,
you know, we ask questions after. What is this? I'm saying 15 pounds.
When was the last time you hit the gym, man?
It's a long time ago.
I was joking. Oh yeah, that is actually a lot heavier than I thought. I would say, I'm gonna say like 12, 13 pounds.
When was the last time you hit the gym?
Actually, 2 days ago.
Alright.
Yeah, 2 days ago. Alright.
Over or under? Who wins? If,
I think it's 12 pounds.
okay.
I think I'll be close.
I said 15.
15?
So if I'm over, I lose, I guess, right? So let's try it.
Alright.
No, that scale's gonna go trash. No, that's
That's kilograms.
That's kilograms. You want that?
Woo! Yeah! Look, I mean,
Yeah, we both.
I was closer though. I was closer.
I was saying with this.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, with the muffler too.
It's not gonna fit. You got to balance it so it doesn't touch the ground.
You want me to get a stand on it and hold both of them?
No, this is a challenge. I want to make it work. There you go. Oh.
Looks like 16. Okay, let me get on there and I'll hold everything.
That's it. 16.8 pounds. That's actually fairly light.
Yeah, Honda gang, baby. Honda gang, let's go. Lighter Ducati, right? What's the benefit of this, the oval shape over the circular?
So the circular one, they go oval when there's no room to make the circle bigger, they go oval. So that's what they do with the Neon 1000.
That's cool. Learning, guys. Always be learning. Ask questions, right?
You gotta skip to Motomillion, right?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Y'all where we're at, look at the sign up there, man. Put some respect on it there.
It's gonna be easy. Yeah, in my M cup.
Nice.
I'm working, guys.
What
You said you left when everything got hard.
do you mean? I was trying to tell you guys to take those things off and put them up there. I was like, they're not listening to me. I'm gonna go over here and just go
Let
out.
them suffer. At Motomillion.
Some final parts for Dylan's bike. They just started the bike indoors, so my eyes are burning. Also, my lungs are not very happy. Where do we put this? And everything is so hot on the bike. So Dylan just started the bike indoors, aka FastlaneD, right? And it was kind of a Miami party, but not that type of a Miami party. Look at this. We got, we don't know where those came from. I think from the ceiling.
Yeah, absolutely. Shaking the whole building, man.
Damn, all the dirt on your bike.
Hey, that's fine. It's worth it, man. The white stuff.
Sounds good too.
Yeah.
There's the man.
That's FastlaneD.
Wherever you want to be. This is kind of a fun day we had.
Yeah.
We learned that we could fit an exhaust on a Fireblade.
Thanks.
And we learned that this thing sounds, I'm going to say something.
Yeah, I want to hear that.
Nicest sounding inline forever.
Woo!
Yeah, with this setup that we have going on.
That's a bold statement, I agree.
I mean, do you agree?
It's close to the brutality, it's just deeper, which is nicer.
Yeah.
The MVs
I mean,
have a higher pitch.
I haven't heard the MV. What are MVs, 3 cylinders?
No, they're fours, inline
Oh,
four.
they're fours?
Yeah.
The only other inline 4 that I would say that would maybe sound better than this is the R1M because the crossplane.
Yeah.
But this, on idle even, this bike is...
Really? Yeah, it's got that nice deep pitch to it.
You never expect it, especially from a Honda.
Exactly. Yeah, I was shocked because I've heard bikes with full system. It does not sound like this.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. But you never see this like matchup with the Akrapovic headers and an SC slip one.
And it's a 2025.
That's true.
You know it from the winglets.
Yep.
Right? We use the Akrapovic headers from the 23 bike. We're going to be open and honest because there's no other headers listed for it. It fits. You rode it.
Yeah.
It rides fine. We're going to ride a little more right now.
Yeah.
The slip-on fits. That was supposed to fit at 2023. It also fits at 2025. The only reason why they say it doesn't fit, obviously we're going to show it. The rear set is a little too close. We use some spacers and stuff. If you're going to do this, you're going to need rear sets. He's going to need rear sets. Yeah. But I think we're done for the day today. Next time you see this bike back, it's getting carbon fiber and rear sets and probably a lot of other stuff.
Ooh, I can't wait. Cannot wait, man. Y'all are not going to miss this build, so make sure you hit that subscribe button for sure.
Exactly. And go and check out his channel, FastlaneD. Instagram, all the socials will be in the comments down below as well. But thanks for
Appreciate
coming.
that. No, thanks for having me
This
so
was
much,
fun.
man. It's always fun to hang out with Manny. Like I said, he's a book of knowledge, so it's cool chopping up and just working on the bikes with him and just
All I know
absorbing
is
as
how to
much
put
information as possible. You what?
All I know is how to put springs on.
How to put what on there?
The springs.
Oh, yeah, hey, nah, he did everything, man. We were just
Yeah,
little
right.
technicians, little elves today. Man.
No, man, that's amazing.
good.
That's also, I gotta give a shout out to him for, he wrenches on all of the stuff that he brought over here, so that's kind of refreshing.
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool that I get to do it too, but sometimes you need a little helping hand.
No, absolutely, bro. Absolutely. I love doing this kind of stuff, so
Yeah?
let's do
So-
more of it.
But as always, guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, have a good one. That's the outro. Woo!